Chapter 17, Marketing the Medical Office. How are we going to spread the word? How does our community know what we offer as a medical office? So the chapter starts out with your lovely outline, learning objectives, and a few key terms. Page 366, the intro is listed there. Of course, with any marketing, you have to fund it. You have to, as a medical office manager, you have to budget for that type of initiative. And then you have to decide your demographic. If, depending if you're a specialty office, is your demographic young people, elderly? Is it everybody? Adults? Is it female, male only? What is the demographic that you are advertising to? Page 368, this talks about researching your strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities as a medical office in the community or the area that you live in, that you work in, researching the competition. What are other people offering? Is it limited? Is it expansive? Are you expansive also? I've always heard that a town could have two McDonald's and both McDonald's would still be successful, either because of people that work there or hours. Even though both McDonald's serve the same thing, both would be successful. And you can relate that also to gas stations. Even the smaller rural towns, two gas stations can thrive. Another example would be like two chicken places. Anyway, my point is look at research your competition, research the opportunities in your community, and don't let, just because there is one already, maybe the community does need two dermatology offices or two dental offices and so on. 369, using the internet for marketing. Of course, the internet is very lucrative in networking marketing and advertising. Make sure you have a robust website. Many institutions, if your medical office is related to a larger healthcare system, that's kind of done for you. You don't have to do it as a manager, but you do want to maintain it, review it, update it as needed. Page 370, direct mail advertising. This is great, especially when new facilities open. For example, the Wake Med Wendell opened this year, and I work for Wake Med, and I live in that eastern part of the county, and I received a little mailer letting me know that. So that was pretty cool to attend the open house. Page 371, purchasing mailing list. This is how you get a hold of the current residents in the area. That is an option, and that is still utilized today. Welcome to the neighborhood type of thing. Offered screenings. If you are a newer medical office, you could always go to your local community centers, Civitan centers, Lions Club, that type of thing, churches. If they have a vendor event that day, you could sit there with a table, just letting the community know that you offer these services. Social media sites for certain populations, certain demographics would work also. Focus groups are mentioned on page 373. Targeting the local businesses, partner up with people that are already in your community. Offering educational speaking engagements, that could be like at a town hall, lots of things to do. Telephone books, I have not seen or held a telephone book in years, so I'm not sure how updated this idea is. On hold messaging, yes, that's a great idea. If you have to put somebody on hold, you can have the little recording of what your office offers. Offering exceptional customer service, yes, page 376. We talked about this a little bit in chapter 16 too. Excellent and exceptional customer service will get you so far in building relationships with your patients, the community, serving people well. Page 377 speaks as patience as your own advertising tools. That kind of plays in with that exceptional or excellent customer service. Writing articles for local newspapers or periodicals. Okay, again, this might be a little dated, but what this makes me think of are podcasts or blogs in today's time. Page 378, targeting the local media. Yes, that's expensive to get on radio and the news stations, but that is an option. And of course, hiring a marketing consultant depending on your budget and how fast and how far you want to grow your medical office. And then page 379 is the chapter review. Let me know if you have any questions.